It's kids time! Hello everyone! Today we will draw Hello Kitty driving a car with her friends. First, draw Hello Kitty car. Draw Hello Kitty as a driver. In the left, draw my melody. In the right, draw Bad Smaru. Left my melody, draw keroppi. In top of my melody, draw Choco Cat. Good job! It's time to coloring Hello Kitty and friends. Black color. Yellow color. Dark pink color. Light blue color. Pink color. Light green color. Brown color. Gray color. Write Hello Kitty name. Great job! Daddy, Mommy, and Caca wish you happiness, joy, and peace. Happy New Year 2024. If you like the video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you and see you in next video.